Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Bites and Breaks. So for today, pupunta tayo sa Robinson's Antipolo. Actually, ang main agenda namin is to watch the Spider-Man movie. And then iniisip namin kung saan kami magde-dinner. Nakita namin may promo sa Vikings sa Robinson Antipolo. So pupuntahan natin siya for today. It's been a while since we last dined at a regular Vikings restaurant. Usually kasi yung pinupuntahan natin is New by Vikings and most recently yung Next by Vikings. So tingnan natin kung sulit pa ba siya if you're paying full price or okay siya sa half the price. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo. Okay, katatapos lang namin manood ng Spider-Man. Ganda? Okay, pagkatapos manood, kain na tayo. So, first time namin itatry itong Vikings dito sa Robinson's Antipolo. And so far, ang ganda ng loob niya ha, from here. Like, I can see the interior inside. Mukhang maganda siya. So anyway, tara, pasok na tayo. Okay, let's go to our table. Okay, start tayo dito. Sa different rolls nila and Maggi.
Yeah. Pero we can isang series. Isang series lang. Anak mo. Wala na tingnan.
Then here we have sausage fried rice. We have the long life noodles. Sweet and spicy seafoods, ginger and onion pork, stir-fry mixed vegetable, and sweet and sour fish. Ayun, may duck din sila and fish crackers. Nakaano yan? May wrap? Okay, sige, thank you. Dito naman mga condiments nila and I think paluto area to. Charong bulaklak doon. And then this is fish. I don't know what type of fish. Then they have soup here. Bird's nest soup, I think. And then dito yung carving station nila. Kuya, anong beef yan? Angus beef. Ayan. They also have pastrami and roasted chicken. And ito, wala na yung lechon pero baka i-refill nila mamaya. And then chicken jambalaya and meatballs. Dito naman yung drinks nila. So, wheatgrass, soursop, beetroot pineapple, and fresh tamarind. And this is their cocktail of the day. Kamasuri and Purple Haze. I don't know what's in that. Pero that's alcoholic. And then, meron ba to? Ba't parang wala? I think meron. May Milo and iced latte. Meron. And sagot gulaman, taro milk tea, pandan milk tea. They have Nutri-Frizz. It's zero sugar soda. And they have Sprite and Royal here. Dito naman yung dim sum area nila. So there's pork siomai there. And then, I think siopaw to. They have chicken feet. And iba-iba pang dumplings doon. And ito may noodles sila. So there's laksa, tom yum, and I don't know what's the chicken. But yeah, that's kumbaga ingredients that you can choose from. They also have ice cream here. And then this one, palabok noodles. Tapos, ito yung palabok sauce. And that's the toppings. They have papaitan, nilagang baboy, kalyos, paksiw na bangus, pinakbet, and pork pinagoongan. Okay? They have dilis, tapos ampalaya, roasted peanuts, and ewan ko kung ano to. Ayan, I think there's their Indian station. So this is Baingan Masala, Bendi Sabzi, And then, ito, pork vindaloo, pero nire-refill pa ata nila. Then, chicken biryani. And then, naan. And, ito, bori-bori, string beans and sambal sauce, rendang. And, I don't know what this is. Baka ito na yung, Korean station nila. I think. Ooh. Ano to? Vegetables of some kind. I don't know what that is. And then, this is umami squid. Para siyang pancake din of some kind, pero savory. Dito naman, they have the pizza, margarita pizza, the cheesy pizza, wala na. They have calzone. And I don't know what this is. It says chef's special. And they have mac and cheese, truffle pasta. Okay, let's go to their desserts. Coconut macaroons. Ano to? Is it tiramisu? I don't know. Walang label. Ube nata jelly. Caramel parfait. Panna cotta. Coffee jelly. Banoffee. And mango tapioca. And then, dito naman they have cupcakes, donuts, focaccia bread. I don't know what type of bread this is. Interesting. Puting-puti siya ha. Cinnamon rolls. And I think this is cream cheese garlic. And cheese bread. And strawberry crumble. Pavlova. And they have mango cake. Tiramisu cake. And what's this? Is it a lemon pie? Wala nang label eh. Anyway, this is red velvet cake and caramel cake and carrot cake. And this is brownies. Tapos, I don't know what that is. Dito naman yung different types of cheese and crackers nila. And cold cuts. They have blue cheese here. And what's this? Cheddar cheese. And ito they have, dito they have the salad station. And iba-iba pang finger foods here. There. And dito, I think it's a make your own salad station. They have a kids corner. So, cheese sauce, chili, there's popcorn, parang nachos, french fries, wala na. Sliders, gummy bears. Ayan. And then, is this champurrado? Yes. Oh my God, ube. Gusto ko yung regular, yung chocolate. Gusto ko yung chocolate champurrado. And they have sapin-sapin and cassava cake. I don't know what this is. Yan, kutsinta. They have crepe. And, uy, ayun. Puto bumbong and bibingka. Baliktad pa yung labeling nila. And then they have yogurt here. And they have ice cream too. So, ayan yung different flavors nila. Alright. Okay, so I guess that's it. Nalibot na natin. So far, medyo chaotic dito. Hindi natin yung vibe so far. Kamusta kayo?
Waiting sa
Ganto pa talaga rito? Di ba nag-try ka na rito? Ganto talaga karami lagi, tsaka kagulo?
Pangali yun, hindi yung salon.
Hindi gano. Okay. Pero it's a Monday night ha? Monday night. Anyway, kuha na tayong food try natin. Okay, nandito na tayo sa table. Yung totoo lang, kaka-start pa lang natin. Medyo natatandaan ko na bakit hindi na tayo bumabalik sa regular Vikings. Sobrang chaotic so far. Tsaka parang masikip yung lugar. Pakita ko lang sa inyo real quick. Ayan, actually medyo nag-die down na nga yung crowd. Kanina punong-puno dyan. So, hello! Ayun, medyo magulo doon kanina. Tapos, parang pa lang, 6:15 pa lang. Ayan ubos na yung beef doon sa carving station nila. Although magre-refill naman sila, pero 10 minutes pa daw. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We got mac and cheese pasta, truffles, different types of pizza. We got a little bit from the Indian station. Tapos, kung ano pa. This is fish. This is rendang, chicken rendang, this Thai pancake and meatball. Dahil nga, ubos na agad yung ibang food, ito muna kinuha natin. Okay, start tayo sa pasta. Dapat ano to yung first round natin yung carving station kaso wala. Truffle pasta muna tayo. Lasa ko naman yung truffle, kaso parang, ano bang tawag dun sa malata ba yon? Yung pag malambot yung pasta, parang nababad ng, medyo nababad siya sa tubig. Let's try the mac and cheese. Hindi ko gano'ng malasahan yung cheese Try natin tong may buong cheese. I still can taste it. So anyway, fail ang ating first plate. Walang okay dun sa first plate natin. Pero meron na tayo ng Angus beef. Ito siya. Try na natin. Okay. Lumalaban lang. Okay naman siya. Medyo matigas na ng konti, pero pwede na. Okay din yung niya, yung sauce. Try pa natin one more time. Medyo matigas talaga siya. Okay. Let's try yung fish kanina. This one. No joke wala pa talaga akong matsyempohan na okay. Yung fish matabang. Eto, try naman natin yung chicken rendang. Actually, parang ngayon ko lang narinig yung chicken rendang. Usually kasi di ba beef yon. Let's try it. Pwede na. Lasa mo naman yung coconut niya and a little bit of spice, pero medyo matabang pa rin siya. Let's try the Thai pancake. That I like. Good yun. Ang prominent sa kanya yung parang lasang toge. Ito. Okay, let's try the meatball. Yung meatball good. Para siyang kalasa nung burger steak sa Jollibee. Ganon. Let's try the pizza. This is the cheesy pizza. Kulang sa cheese. Anyway, this one, nakalagay lang chef special, pero I think this is pesto and ham. Ito medyo okay. Pwede na. Let's try the calzone. Ito medyo masarap. Lalo na siguro kung mainit pa ito. Ito medyo okay. Okay, let's try the chicken biryani. Chicken biryani siya, pero wala akong nakitang buong chicken doon. Rice lang.
Give me a cup of Sprite.
Parang hindi biryani. Anyway, let's try this one. Beef. Lasa siyang matabang na mechado. So far, I'm not liking it. Try natin tong naan. Ang lungkot nung naan nila. Okay, so far wala pang nag-stand out ang so far pala na pumapasa sa akin na pwede na is yung Angus beef, pero still that one is medyo pasang-awa lang kasi medyo matigas siya. Let's try the other ones. Honestly, ang dami pa ring tao doon. Kaya medyo tinatamad akong bumalik. So, try natin yung mga nandito sa table natin from them. Sabi nila, masarap daw yung salmon. Try natin. Try ko yung salmon. Tigas and medyo fishy. Ano yan? Pwede ba tigam na ano? Chicken? Konti man. Ito lang. Oopsie. Okay. I will try the roasted chicken. Ayun, okay. Try natin tong ano. Baby, pa-try si Mami, ha?
Okay.
They have pancit canton. Try natin.
Daddy, my chickens.
Walang lasa. Right? Okay, it's now 6:32 and ganun pa rin siya. Medyo chaotic pa rin. Kasi di ba sa ibang buffet, parang after a few minutes pagka-open, nagsisettle down na. Dito hindi pa rin eh. Magulo pa rin siya. Okay. Try naman natin ngayon yung palabok, quesadilla, Mediterranean pasta, and egg toast. Try natin tong palabok.
Feeling ko bago.
Pwede na. Medyo frustrating. Medyo frustrating siya. Okay, Mediterranean pasta. Egg toast. I don't know. Wala talaga. Nothing is landing. Mahal, kamusta?
Sarap mo yung mga isda.
Yeah. So, kamusta kayo?
Dali. Mami. I'm not good.
Ha?
Okay.
Yeah. Kamusta kayo? Masarap ba?
Chaotic.
Ha?
Chaotic.
Wala ako natikman na masarap. Yung beef lang na okay na. Tapos hit and miss yung parts niya. May malambot, may ano. Tapos ayun nga, ang gulo. Hanggang ngayon. Oo, ang tagal pa nilang mag-refill, no? And it's a weekday. It's freaking Monday.
Kaya wala masyado.
Okay, ayoko nang bumalik doon. Try natin yung mga dessert nila. So we have macaroons, cupcake, donut, carrot cake, pavlova, brownie, and let's try their ice cream. So that's salted caramel, meron pang bahid ng ube, vanilla, and chocolate. Ayan, first time din nating hindi makakasama si Surreal sa dessert. Sorry, Surreal, kasi masikip. Usually magkatabi kami pag dessert, but anyway, let's start with the ice cream. Ito naman siguro good, no? Start with the salted caramel. Salted caramel is good. Vanilla is good too. And then the chocolate. It's good. Try natin tong macaron. Okay? Alam mo yung lasang artificial strawberry. Ganun siya. I don't have high hopes for dessert. Try natin tong cupcake. Not good also. Let's try the brownie. Yung brownie okay. Let's try the pavlova. Ito okay na. Merang lang naman to eh. Carrot cake. In fairness, okay yung cream cheese sa carrot cake. Let's try the donut. Konti kasi ng donut. Naririnig nyo ba ako? Medyo maingay kasi ano na sila, birthday event na. Let's try the donut. Okay, so I don't think babalik pa ako doon sa buffet area. I think I'm done for the day. And ang tanong natin kanina, sulit pa ba sa gantong Vikings? Ang regular price nila is 1,238 and naka 50 off pa sila ngayon. And honestly lang talaga for me, kahit naka 50 off pa siya, hindi siya worth it. Hindi na siguro ako babalik sa Vikings na buffet na ganito. I mean, just really being honest, the chaos, the food, hindi siya worth it for me. Like for us, ilan kami? 10 kami. So that's around 6,000. We could have gone to a really nice restaurant. And ganun din siguro, I mean not really nice, but a good restaurant. And ganun din siguro yung magagastos namin. Pero basta ang chaotic, hindi maganda yung experience ko dito ngayon. But that's just me. Baka naman kayo maganda yung experience nyo. So anyway, hanggang dito na lang. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!